Hi everyone and hi Mr. Aya. My name is Dara Agni Sektianingrum and I'm from 11 MIPA 6. And today I'm gonna show you how to make egg tomatoes or tomatoes egg. And by the way, this recipe is inspired by channel and city. So, cooking tomatoes egg is easy if you follow this step. Before that, we need to prepare the ingredients. The ingredients that we need is water, salt, sugar, 3 eggs, and 2 tomatoes. First, crack 3 eggs and mix thoroughly. Don't forget to add salt so it doesn't taste bland, then mix it again. Second, slice the tomatoes into pieces. Third, put oil in the pan and turn on the stove. When the oil is slightly hot, add the sliced tomatoes and saute the tomatoes. Then, add 300 ml of water and stir until the tomatoes are soft and slightly crumbled. When done, put the tomatoes on a plate. Put oil in the pan and turn on the stove again. After that, add the eggs and stir until it becomes scrambled. Then, put the tomatoes into the pan and mix with the scrambled eggs. Add a little of salt. Lastly, put it on the plate and the food is ready to be enjoyed.